Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change account on Monopoly Go. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the app and then tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, and then tap on settings. Okay, and then tap on connect account. Here you will be able to change the account by connecting a different Facebook account or play with your contacts. Okay, so for example, we are going to tap on the contacts and then tap on add contacts here. Okay, and then we are going to choose the country or the region to add a valid number. Okay, for example, the Gambia, and then we are going to type out here the number of our contact and then click on continue. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.